Hello everyone, today I will discuss energy transformation, metabolism and its two main processes which is catabolism and anabolism, and how they work in the human body in a simple and understandable way. So as you can see, here is our table of contents: metabolism, catabolism, anabolism, relationship between the two. Now let us proceed on our learning objectives. First, define metabolism and explain its importance in maintaining life. Second, differentiate catabolism and anabolism based on their functions and energy requirements. Third, identify example of metabolic processes in everyday activities. And the last is explain the relationship between catabolism and anabolism in the body's energy cycle. First, let us define metabolism. So, metabolism, it is the sum of all chemical reactions in the body that maintain life. So, for you to easily understand, metabolism, it is the overall process where the body converts food into energy and uses that energy for all body functions such as movement, thinking, and growth. And it is continuously active even when we are resting or sleeping. So, for example, when you eat a banana before exercising, your body breaks it down into energy. That energy helps your muscle move while you run or play. Even after you stop exercising, your metabolism continues to work by helping your body breathe, pump, and repair cells. Always remember, metabolism is important because it produces and manages energy needed for all body activities to keep us alive. So now that you already understand metabolism and its important role in our body, let us break down metabolism into its first process, catabolism. When we say catabolism, it is the process that breaks down complex molecules into simpler ones. It is releasing energy. So, catabolism is how body breaks down large food molecules like carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into smaller units. During the breakdown, energy is released and stored as ATP. This energy becomes available for immediate use of the body. For you to easily understand the catabolism and its important role in our body, so I'm going to give you a situation. A patient has just finished eating breakfast after the surgery. During the digestion, the carbohydrates from the meal are broken down into glucose through catabolism. The glucose is converted into ATP, or also known as adenosine triphosphate, providing the energy needed by the body cell for wound healing, tissue repair, and normal body function during the recovery. So always remember that catabolism produces energy by breaking down food so the body can perform well and survive. After the energy is produced, the body also uses it for building and repair through anabolism. Now let's proceed to anabolism. When we say anabolism, it is the process that builds complex molecules from simpler ones requiring energy. And to make it simple, anabolism is the process where the body uses energy from catabolism to build muscle, tissues, and cells. It helps the body recover from damage and support growth. Without this process, the body cannot repair itself properly. So that's the reason why it is important. I'm going to give another situation. After a patient undergoes surgery, the nurse encourages the patient to a high protein diet. The amino acid from the protein are used to build new tissue through anabolism. This process requires energy in the form of ATP, which is produced during catabolism. So the ATP produces the energy needed to repair damaged tissues, promote wound healing, and support recovery. To wrap up, here's a quick summary of what we've learned. So, metabolism is the combination of catabolism and anabolism that manages energy in the body. Thanks Thanks for watching. I hope you learned. So again, this is Angel C. Reyes, BSN 1G.